English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1, hatred, eligible, overestimate. Hatred. Hatred is a noun. C1 learners usually know hatred. Hatred is an extremely strong feeling of dislike. Here are some examples. You could see the hatred in his eyes. People who stir up hatred against others need re-educating. It was an end to the war and hatred between the two countries. Eligible. Eligible is an adjective. C1 learners usually know eligible. Eligible describes someone who is able to do something because they have the education or skill, or who is in the right situation. Here are some examples. She will be eligible for the exam when she is 16. In the eyes of the young ladies, he was a most eligible young man. They were eligible for free healthcare from the government. Overestimate. Overestimate is a verb. C1 learners usually know overestimate. To overestimate is to think that something is bigger or better than it is. Here are some examples. He always overestimates the cost of projects. She cannot do the work. They overestimated her ability. The importance of their business to us is overestimated. Now write some of your own sentences with hatred, eligible and overestimate. Download the free C1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.